Swrangsalo Ambasa PRTI Conference Hall samung belang no tui kaisa panda swngcha jakha Reserve Bank of India bwkhaktwi National Mission of Capacity Building of Bankers of Financing MSME Sector Workshop swngcha jakha workshop panda phaiman jakha Dolai district ni kwbangma bedek ni bank rok a salo workshop ni bwkhaktwi bank ko samung tangnai rok no Reserve Bank ni kwbangma kok no tui kok salaika phaiman jakha Reserve Bank ni adong rok workshop ni swngcha jak panda phaiman jakha Ambasa district achukphang Orup Dev tei Reserve Bank ni adong rok.
Part of this aspirational district. This sort of program is very much helpful and important also, on the perspective that if MSME is spread and if its effectiveness is extended further, it will definitely generate an source of income among the youth, and also the SHGs or the startup entrepreneurs may get influenced with this MSME support, and that can start their businesses on their own. So in the coming days, if such interaction programs are more being organized by the RBI, it will be more helpful to the people and also to the bank who give credit facilities to the people. So a bondage will be developed between the two sides, which will create a sort of confidence among the mass, because they will be more influenced and more economic activities will be coming out of it.